Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to connect multiple speakers to your Mac. For that, first open settings and go to Bluetooth, connect the multiple speakers that you have. So I have connected this and this Soundcore Motion Boom. Then we'll go to sound and set where you have kept the speaker. So for this, we'll balance the sound to left as I have kept this one at the left side of my room. Then we'll go to the second one and turn this to the right. We can change the volume to the same. If it depends on the power of your speakers. Then third is MacBook speakers. So for that, I'll keep that in middle. Then we'll open apps and go to audio MIDI setup. So this is the main application that we are going to use to set up multiple speakers. So for this, go to create multi-output device. This will lead to this page. Then we can turn on the speaker settings that you want to connect. You can turn some off if you want. So by this, you can add your speakers as well as your MacBook laptop speakers. So now we'll have 3 audio devices. Okay, and for drifting correction, so your sound doesn't lag from one to or another speaker, it will automatically set up. So I think this setting is the best. So we'll choose that and play our music. After some 1 or 2 seconds, it will automatically sync. And now we have 3 speakers and we'll have surround sound while watching our favorite movies or series. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Bye.